I knew I didn't want to go right into a four-year program. I got into the machine shop in high school. I worked in one, went back to the community college, and had absolutely zero student loans. My name's Giovanni Santolo. I'm an advanced manufacturing instructor at Essex North Shore Agricultural and Technical High School. I also teach in the Nighthawks program, which is done here. It's an adult program done in the machine shop. We have tons of unfilled, skilled labor jobs that we don't have qualified candidates for. You can make a good living, comfortable living, without crushing, student debt right out of high school. And if you're looking at getting into one of the STEM fields, particularly engineering, having manufacturing experience is a huge benefit. Getting into a vocational program is not going to limit you from being able to go on to post-secondary education later if you choose that's what you want to do. But it's going to give you great opportunities if you don't choose to do that.